Making my way downtown, walking fast places past I'm homebound. Well, it seems like you made it all the way downtown. Well, I can't get rid of my problems, and neither can you, so might as well get rid of it while we can. How do you get rid of boxes exactly? Good question. I don't know either. We open them, of course. Alright, but we do not open them without proper equipment.
Retake.
My trusty knife! Perfect for cutting all your needs, not sponsored at all. Box certified from outer space. Let's get to it. Bon kite! But wait! I can't do it without proper safety. Rawr. What? You know, we could always do it the easy way and forget about safety. Even Sarah cannot force me to wear gloves or those little kids in their beautiful, easy baked treats. Let's do it. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, a special Toonami box from outer space itself, beyond the cosmos and the galaxies. I can see the stars with this box. Let's take it out of here. And it's pretty hard. Those aliens sure do know how to pack a box. Toonami. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure we're gonna find out. Made by Adult Swim, as told from the top of the box. All the sides of the box is pretty plain beyond that. You got green. There's some green. There's some green. Green. Green and Adult Swim. And everything else you could just love and die for. If I was blue, I would die. Alright. Let's get to this. Wait a minute.
Cut.
Toonami, an eco-friendly box for all of your loved ones to enjoy. Not sponsored by Adult Swim. We're doing this unwillingly. Let's get to it. Wow. I seem to be enlightened into everything that is Toonami now. That is a beautiful vindication, and I believe the same ship that we just saw outside. Let's open this up. We got Hatch Bay number 1. Bomb bays. Inside, we have another bay. But on top of that bay is our real bay, Sarah. Sarah is Tom's bay. Every time you see Sarah, she is, my bad. His bay looks beautiful. We have a glass casing of Sarah, covered in some velvet folds, pillows, shit, in a Toonami box. Let's put that back in. Let's put that back out and open up bay number 2. Actually. And look at that. Even on the back of the cardboard, you have a long hallway with Tom staring at Sarah. I did not know that. Let's keep that right over here. If we can. Oh well. Space cardboard doesn't do good enough. Speaking about which, you got space carbon alloy cardboard. Straight from outer space itself, with all the space stardust and everything you can imagine, Cthulhu not included. Let's start with this. First of all, when we first open up this premium box, we have a Toonami card called Toonami Fisher Space Pen. I don't know what's a Fisher in outer space, but it's not Jerry Fisher, Tommy Fisher, anybody's name with Fisher. but inside it's a Fisher Space Pen with a beautiful Tom number insert here staring off into outer space. It is beautiful. It says, Fisher Space Pen performed in temperatures from negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 250 degrees Fahrenheit underwater in zero gravity and at any angle, even upside down. Its reliability means it's the only pen you will ever need. Still used on manned space flights, the Fisher Space Pen is unconditionally guaranteed to give outstanding service both here on Earth and in space. So if you're in outer space, going to meet Tom, want his autograph, right? Get this Fisher Space Pen. You're going to need it. Take it out. Even says Space Pen on the side with Saturn. Just one click, there you go. Another click, you're done. Let's just put that back in there and get to whatever else we have. A beautiful space grade Energizer AAA battery. Perfect for all of our needs out in outer space for power. Who needs warp cores when you got AAAs? Then we have a Maglite Solitaire. That was a weird symbol, but I know it means something out of space. Am I right? We open it up. It seems to be a flashlight. Has a little business card here, and I think where the AAA battery was supposed to go. Sorry, we still use fusion cores. On it, it has a Toonami logo, and made out of a nice brushed steel. Very pleasant. I don't know how to turn this on, and I'm not going to try. For all I know, Tom could be attempting to blow me up or something. Don't mind that. Alright, next, we go to the next big thing. A bag of some sort, with even more stuff in it. Let's unfold it. And hey look, they got Japanese in outer space. Open it up. Nothing left. Let's open up the big compartment though, shall we? Here's a strap if you ever want to carry it around to go. Beautiful bag. Very nice quality. Now we have to open Space Door Bay number 3. With Space Bay door number 4 right behind it. We open it up and we got even more goodies for all your Toonami needs. We have a strap. That's pretty nice. Beautiful strap, black strap. And then we have the best shirt of them all. Shirts are always nice things indeed. You don't want to be naked and out of space, huh? Has the Toms and Sarah. And the Vindication in the back while saying Toonami. Really nice shirt. About a heather black material. Really nice. Let me just put that right here. And the strap. We go even deeper inside. And we have something covered in bubble wrap. It's a mug. A space mug. Beautiful. We have the Toonami logo all around it, black, white inside. Perfect for your Monday mornings when you're on the space shuttle doing little endeavors. And last but not least, we only have one more thing in this space package from space and the universe and space. So, very deep inside, you have a Toonami comic, Trapped. The first one apparently has March for a release date. Probably not going to get it till next year. Beautiful comic, really nice. Leave that right over there. And inside we have Space Bay number 5, which guess what? It relates to nothing, just like my future. Well, hope you like everything in here that we have from outer space, and you too can even be a cool person with Tom and Sarah if you get this box while supplies last and while sale lasts. You're probably late. Too bad. See ya.